With many parts of Shillong city facing severe water crisis, two suspended Congress legislators, Dr. Ampreen Lingdo and M. Rapsang, on Thursday night met Chief Secretary D.P. Walang, bringing the issue to this notice. The state government during the meeting assured that the problem will be immediately addressed. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Ampreen Lingdo said that the reason behind the water crisis was due to the fluctuation and tripping of power lines, leading to insufficient power being pumped to Mauplang, which is the main generator of water supply in the city. She also expressed concern over the delay in commissioning the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3.
Power fluctuation, tripping of power lines, insufficient power being pumped to Mauplang, which is our main generator of water supply. So that has been sorted out. We've been given an assurance that the power supply to Mauplang will remain uninterrupted by various methods which were very technical in nature, but we understand that that will be restored.